Hello, good morning students. Today's thought is biology is the most powerful technology. Biology is the most powerful technology in which DNA is software and protein is a hardware work and cell is factory. Okay, understand here? So biology, this is the subject of the science, but this is the subject of the science, and in this technology we can say biology is a powerful technology because in this technology DNA work as a software because these DNA provide the different types of proteins synthesized in the body. Okay, so DNA play an important role in synthesizing the protein, and protein work as a hardware and cell here factories where all protein, essential important protein is formed in the cell. Okay, now we discuss here and continue the same topic, drug. Okay, so drug we already explained in the previous topic. Some important drugs are discussing here. So next drug is here coca alcoid drug. Next is the coca alcoid, and we know that this drug is the stimulating drug. Stimulating drug is those drugs which increase the excitement in our body. Those drugs which increase the excitement in our body, that type of drug is called the stimulant drug. So coca alcoid is an stimulating drug. This stimulating drug is obtained by the erythroxylum coca. Okay, this is a plant. From this plant we obtain the coca alcoid drug. Okay, so this drug potent stimulating action on a CNS, producing euphoria. Euphoria means happiness. Okay, when we that type of drugs we use. Okay, so that type of drugs increase the excitement in our body and feeling well. Okay, and increase the energy level and also increase the energy level. So that is the coca alcoid. And next is here barbiturate drug. This drug is derivative of the barbaric acid. This drug is the derivative of the barbaric acid used as a sedative. Sedative tranquilizers is before we discuss here. Drugs are the four types. Mainly drugs are the four types on the action. So tranquilizers, sedative tranquilizers, opioid, hallucinogens, or we discuss the third drug is stimulant drug. So this is the sedative tranquilizer. So this drug suppress or reduce the activity of the brain. Any brain means this drug. This is a sedative drug. As a sedative drug, or when we sedative means that those drugs which affect the brain activity and feeling calmness and provide relaxation. So that type of drugs is known as the sedative. Those drugs which provide relaxation and relief. So that type of and suppress the activity of the brain and okay, so that type of drug is called the sedative drug. So barbiturate drug is the sedative drug, and its derivation is a barbaric acid. Okay, so if we use its moderate, if we use in a small quantity, if we use in a moderate quantity, then this provides the relief and relaxing effect, and if we use it more quantity, so it may be harmful. Okay, so next drug is here amphetamines. Amphetamines is the next drug which has a more CNS stimulating drug. CNS stimulating drug means that type of drug which excitement increase, those drugs which increase the excitement. So amphetamines is that type of drug which increase the excitement in our body, and when we take that type of drugs, talkativeness and sociability and increase. Okay, means talkative person, that type of those person who talk more, so that type of activity performed by when we take that type of drugs. Okay, and this also increase the sociability, and after taking the effect, means after taking these drugs, we feel hungerness and tiredness. Okay, we feel hungerness and tiredness. And next is here LSD. Its full form, very important, lysergic acid diethylamide, which is obtained from the fungus, which is extracted by a fungus. This fungus name is Claviceps purpurea. Okay, by this fungus we obtain the LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, and this, by taking this drug, person feeling of flying, means feeling of flying and appearance of fantastic color on their face. Okay, so that type of character. So when person use LSD types of drugs. Okay, so these are the drugs, some important drugs in your chapter. After this drug, next term is tobacco. Tobacco is also important topic. And tobacco, what is tobacco? Tobacco is a dried leaf of the plant. Tobacco is the dried leaf of the plant, and this tobacco is a dried leaf of the plant. And this tobacco contain this tobacco contain near about 300 chemicals. Some person chew the tobacco, and some person tobacco used in a cigarette. So that type of activity by person take the tobacco. So tobacco contains near about 300 chemical substances, and in these chemical substances, nicotine is very important drug. Nicotine is a very important nicotine. This tobacco contains nicotine. First we write here, this tobacco is obtained from the Nicotiana tobaccum plant. Okay, this tobacco contains near about 300 chemical substances. 300 chemical substances, and this chemical substances mostly is here nicotine. It is a stimulating drug. It is a stimulating drug which increase the excitement in the body when person take. But if we use this drug in a large quantity, so it drug causes different types of diseases, different types of cancer, like lungs cancer, mouth cancer, ulcer, and also increase the rate of heartbeat and blood pressure, and also major disease causes the heart attack diseases. Okay, so today some important drugs are completed. Next day we start next topic. Okay, thank you.